I'm Taylor Kinney. Playing a firefighter on TV taught me about the dangers of carbon monoxide, also known as CO. Talk to your family about CO safety and take steps to help protect what matters most. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, and deadly gas that can be produced from any fuel-burning device, like furnaces, boilers, stoves, and even cars. Known as the silent killer, it is responsible for many deaths and emergency room visits each year. Yet, more than 40% of American homes do not have carbon monoxide alarms. Help protect your family by installing CO alarms, which are the only way to detect this deadly gas on every level and in every bedroom of your home. Once installed, test your alarms often. Replace the batteries at least every 6 months, or simply upgrade to First Alert 10-year sealed battery alarms to eliminate battery replacement for a decade. Also, inspect your appliances annually and never leave a car running in the garage. For more home safety tips and reliable protection you can trust, visit firstalert.com.